I've decided today to take all my decorations off. I don't know, is it third today? I would have left them for a bit longer, but as you know, I've got Max's 18th birthday coming up this weekend, and I just need as much as possible, as I'm going to have loads of family around. So here is the Christmas tree all bought, my table, everything is coming off. And not only that, I have to go to the gym today at 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna be absolutely poked today. Okay, everything is down now. What a mess. I'm leaving the twigs with the lights on, and I need to put my pictures back up here. So now I need to do a lot of cleaning. I'm absolutely knackered. Right, so I'm on my way to the gym. Oh, I really could do without it. Been cleaning from, I don't know, taking the stuff down from about 10 o'clock, and it's 2:30 now. I am so tired. We've put everything in a loft now. Paul is still at home. He's got this week off, so he could help me. But oh my god, every year I think, why do I do it to myself? But yeah, it's nice actually to have everything back to normal. I've tidied up the living room now, but I've still got the dining room to do, so I'll probably do that when I come back, if I'm not dead by then. Yeah, and now I've got another, as you know, big event. I've got Max's 18th birthday, so on Saturday I have all the family coming round for dinner. Don't know where I'm gonna put everybody, but we will manage. It's such a big anticlimax, isn't it, after Christmas? It's like nothing to look forward to, and it's all miserable, and I don't know, not very exciting. But at least the days are getting longer now, so that's a good thing. We're supposed to get really, really cold weather, I think, from next week, so our winter is not over yet. It's quite sunny today. It's very windy. We have some sort of storm. I can't remember what her name is. But last night it was raining and howling so much we couldn't sleep. So, and it's still very windy today. Okay, my lovelies, I better go, psych myself up, and I speak to you another time. So it was Max's birthday yesterday. We dug out old DVDs of Max when he was just born in hospital, so we watched that yesterday for a long time. It was so nice to remember him as a little baby. I video bits from the telly, so I will insert some here. Warning though, I had emergency cesarean, so I'm not looking too good.
Ain't she gorgeous? Eh? Yes.
Leave your hat on. It's just that it gets a bit cold in theatres, and they do. They can get a bit cold. So that's why, you know, we want to
Sure.
sort of
Aww.
wrapped up. Come on.
Can you see, Mummy, see?
No, you say hello to Daddy. You
Hello, Max.
don't say hello to me.
Hello, baby.
I'm just the one that's
Hello.
holding him around your mouth.
Aww.
Beautiful.
That's my baby just born.
Eyes wide open.
Is there a hole in my head?
This is next morning.
Zoom in on this little face.
9 AM.
Cherub.
I had emergency cesarean, so I'm not feeling too good. Oh, how gorgeous.
Yeah.
Sleeping with his mummy.
And there's Mummy, looking remarkably alright for her ordeal. Still all her drips in.
So, in the first bit where you saw the nurse dressing Max, I didn't see him there. I was obviously still in recovery. I sadly didn't see him being born because I was put under general anesthetic. So, this is really special for me to see that bed because I didn't see him for probably over an hour after he was born. So, yeah, it was really lovely to watch that. So I'm just preparing for tomorrow. I've extended the table and I need to put some tablecloth on it, and so I have it ready for tomorrow because tomorrow will be all about cooking.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him na 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 na. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear man. Happy birthday to you.
Go on, you have to blow hard. I got the other one. Go on, long time. Am I supposed to be doing a video?
Go on.
Why is everybody holding their
Oh my god, no, they're getting their thumbs right.
Hey! Wow! That was huge. That's very good. Oh, that. Didn't need to go my drink. Happy 18th birthday.
So I will have lots of clearing up to do with all this confetti. Wow.
Holding a laptop.
Who is gonna clear all this up?
Not us.
Oh.
Good morning, it's Monday today, so I'm really tired. It was so much fun yesterday having family around for Max's birthday. I cleaned up last night, and I'm so glad I did it. I was gonna leave it till this morning, but I'm so glad I did it last night. And now it's back to normal. I must say I feel quite uninspired, and I don't know, just need to get my mojo back. So that's it for this video. I better go and upload it for you now, and I see you soon. Bye.